Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Unplug refrigerator or disconnect power. Turn off the main water supply. Insert end of tubing into outlet end squarely as far as it will go. Screw compression nut onto outlet end water supply with an adjustable wrench. Do not over-tighten. Place the free end of the tubing into a container or sink and turn on main water supply to flush out tubing until water is clear. Turn off the shut-off valve on the water supply.
Remove the blue cap on the water valve. Connect the hose to the valve. Tighten with a wrench.
Turn on water supply to refrigerator and check for leaks. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Flush the water system. Flushing the water dispensing system forces air from the water line. Using a sturdy container, depress and hold the water dispenser paddle for 5 seconds. Release the paddle for 5 seconds. Repeat the process until water begins to flow. Once water begins to flow, continue depressing and releasing until a total of 3 gallons has been dispensed.